Morning, guys. We just got done here at Speedco. I spent $440. Getting oil change and everything. It's windy out here, so I'm going with wind. Hope you can hear me. Oh, pardon my climbing around here. Shoo. Put you in your bracket so you don't fall down, because I will drop you. Get you adjusted properly. Saw a video on there saying about how to film yourself, and you'll say, make sure you got plenty of room above you. I'm like, okay, whatever. Now I got a picture up there. I had to move it over because every time I walk through there, I'd knock it down. So yeah, and we found our coolant leak on under the truck. The coolant runs down the side of the rail down there. I think it goes to the DPF. We were about a half gallon low on coolant this morning. I stopped about 2 hours. Took a 2-hour nap in Indiana last night. Let the engine cool down, and I checked it before I left, before I fired the truck back up. It was still showing full. And I was still getting the warning light. And funny thing is, the temperature dropped from mid-30s down to like 22 degrees. And when it got really cold, the warning light went off. And it stayed off for a while. Came back on just before I got here, the temperature had gone back up to 31. I don't know if that had to do with anything, but that's what happened. So we found the coolant leak. Boss man's going to fix when I get the Voyager. Just keep an eye on it. And that's the plan. I built it up, spilled a little bit on the belt, so now it's squealing a little bit. It'll quit eventually. It usually takes a while. So now we're going to putt over here to this little restaurant and eat us some breakfast. Try not to trigger our logbook. Putt at 3 miles an hour. I can walk that fast. It's a little chilly out there. It's 34 degrees, but the wind blowing, it feels like it's about 20. Oh, they had some snow, I guess, here Friday night. It's pretty white out there. Roads are clean, but grass, everything's covered. A couple inches of snow. Boy, we're trucking now. Little restaurant here, Grandma's Kitchen. We got truck parking, and I get to go up front truck parking. Yeah. Sweet Lord, sweet carrier, come to carry me home. Sweet Lord, sweet carrier, come to carry Parked it in a cricket. Flatbed. Simplified trucker. Simplified transport. I don't know if I agree with that. Ooh, sorry, almost stopped you. So we're at Grandma's. They also got a little bar in there. I sat here one day. It had to be like 3 or 4 in the afternoon. I was sitting here finishing my break, getting ready to go. The guy comes stumbling out of that bar there, drunker than a skunk already. I mean, that boy was stumbling all over the place. He walked across the street and got in a truck over there. And I hope he went to bed. Because he was all... I thought he was going to fall on his face out here, but he managed to make it. He was stumbling drunk. And that kind of worries me, you know. I hate to see that, you know, bars real close to truck stops. You know, I'll go have a drink every now and then. If I'm taking a 34-hour break, I might have a cocktail somewhere. I don't get drunk though. Especially if you're in a place, you know, a place you're not familiar with. You know, you don't know who's around there. Who might rob you while you're stumbling drunk. You know, that kind of thing always kind of worries me. So yeah, I don't drink a lot anyway, so not anymore. I don't drink anymore or any less, but I used to be a bad drinker way back in the day. I was got a new coffee. That's good. Anyhow, I'm gonna go in here and eat some breakfast. I'll talk to y'all later. Have a good day.